Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on magnetic effects of electric current for class 10 physics. In this video, I'll talk about magnetism and magnets. I have provided links to relevant study material in the description box, so do check them out. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Now, the name of the chapter suggests that electric current produces magnetic effects. This indicates that there is a relationship between electricity and magnetism. This relationship between electricity and magnetism has been established by the works of scientists like Hans Christian Ørsted, Michael Faraday, and Andre Ampere. Before going into how both electricity and magnetism are related, let us first talk about magnetism. So, what is magnetism? Magnetism has been a source of our curiosity for ages. Magnetism is a property due to which a substance attracts pieces of iron, nickel, and cobalt towards itself. We can find magnets in science lab, toys, and in magnetic stickers which we often stick to the refrigerators and steel almirahs. The earth itself acts as a magnet. Let us talk about magnets. So what is a magnet? Magnets are the substances which have the property of attracting small pieces of iron, nickel, and cobalt, and this property of attraction, as we stated earlier, is called magnetism. Most of the metals of common use like copper, gold, silver, aluminum, etc. are not attracted to the magnets. Magnets are found naturally in certain natural rocks and can also be made artificially. Natural magnets contain a magnetic compound called magnetite, that is Fe3O4. We can also make magnets artificially from alloys of iron, nickel, and cobalt, so that they retain their magnetism for long amount of time. Such magnets are called permanent magnets. Artificially made permanent magnets are made in various shapes like bar, rod, disc, ring, etc. as shown in this figure. In a bar, rod, and horseshoe magnets, north and south pole are indicated by letters N and S, or sometimes north pole is indicated by a dot. In disc and ring magnets, one face is north pole and another face is south pole. Magnetism has many uses. Permanent magnets are used in direction finding compass. Magnets are used in making magnetic stickers. A well-known medical diagnostic procedure known as magnetic resonance imaging or MRI uses magnetism of protons inside human body to form images of tissues. While learning about magnets and magnetism, we came across a term called magnetic poles. So what are magnetic poles? Magnetic poles refers to two areas of magnet where the magnetic effect are the strongest. The poles are generally termed as North Pole and South Pole. Magnetic poles exert force on each other as can be seen in this figure. Like poles repel each other. So, if we have two magnets and we try to bring its two north pole together, then one north pole will repel another north pole. Similarly, if we try to bring two south poles of two different magnets together, then south pole of one magnet will repel south pole of another magnet. Unlike poles attract each other. So, south pole of one magnet will attract north pole of another magnet. Similarly, north pole of one magnet will attract south pole of another magnet. We will now conclude this video by summing up the properties of the magnets. First property is Magnets attract objects that are made up of iron, cobalt, and nickel. Magnets do not attract objects that are made up of copper, aluminium, gold, etc. Second property of the magnets is that force of attraction or repulsion of a magnet is greater at its poles than in the middle. We have also learned that like poles of the magnets repel each other while unlike poles of magnets attract each other. You must know this property from experience that a free suspended magnet always points towards north and south direction. This happens because Earth behaves as a huge bar magnet. This figure shows the south and north pole of the Earth's magnet. Let us place a compass in Earth's magnetic field only. This means we do not have the influence of other magnets on the compass. As can be seen from this figure, that compass in Earth's magnetic field points in north and south directions. Here from field lines at other points we can see that north pole of compass always points towards the south pole of Earth's magnet. Again, from this figure, we can see that south pole of the Earth's magnet is in the geographical north because it attracts the north pole of the suspended magnet, and the north pole of Earth's magnet is geographical south because it attracts the south pole of the suspended magnet. So, we can conclude that there is a magnetic S pole near the geographical north and there is a magnetic N pole near the geographical south. The pole of a magnet which points towards the north direction is called north pole or north-seeking end. And the pole of a magnet which points towards the south direction is called south pole or south-seeking end. So, in this video you learned about magnetism, magnets and properties of matter. Our next video would be about magnetic fields. For latest updates, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Do check the relevant links given below in the description box. Thank you.